Hello everyone. So now we're on to the second part of the second question on the 2022 analysis in one variable exam. So we have the integral 5x plus 13 over x squared plus 4x minus 5 dx. So for this one, we're basically everything we have to do is just factorize and do a decomposition. Fractal decomposition, that is. So before we even begin to do anything considering integrals, we would just want to rewrite this expression. Okay, so we know that, or firstly, we start out with just looking at this, the denominator, and seeing that, okay, 1 is a solution to this polynomial, obviously. 1 plus 4 minus 5. So we know that we can rewrite this as 5x plus 13 over, okay, so we have x, because 1 was a solution, we have x minus 1, and then times x. And then if we were to try plus 5, yes, that would work perfectly, and also minus 5 is a solution. Great, we could fully factorize this second degree polynomial. That is wonderful. And now we make a guess that we can rewrite this as a sum of fractions with these factors as denominators. So we suppose that we can write this as some constant a over x minus 1, and then plus some constant b over x plus 5. And we want this to be true for all x's. So what does this mean? This means after multiplying by x minus 1 and x plus 5 everywhere, we would get that 5x plus 13 is equal to, okay, so they cancel out, but we still get a times x plus 5. So we get ax plus 5a, and then the b gets multiplied by that, so it's plus bx minus b. And we also want this to be true for all x. So what does this imply? This, of course, then implies that the constants in front of the x's have to amount to the same, and also the constants have to be the same. So therefore, a plus b is equal to 5. And we also know that 5a minus b is equal to 13. So then we add the first row to the second one, and then we get that 6a is equal to 18, meaning that a is equal to 3, and since a plus b is equal to 5, then of course b is equal to 2. So therefore, if we just move this away, because now there are not many necessary steps left, so therefore we know that this can be rewritten as the integral. So okay, we have 3 and 2, and this was our expression. Right? So it's 3 over x minus 1 plus 2 over x plus 5. So I'm just going to write that out. x1 plus 2 over x plus 5 dx. And now you're probably reaching for the YouTube home button, because now it is just the same as, because this is just ln absolute value of x minus 1 plus 2 ln absolute value of x plus 5 plus c. Yes, and that was everything. This one was also really easy, and I hope you appreciate it anyway. So yes, that was everything. Check out the link in the description, and moving on to problem number 3.